Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this rechargeable LED work light. This one here has a magnetic base. Alright, so right here we have this rechargeable LED light. This one here says headlamp. It is used for outside or wherever you need to use it. This is a pocket size ultra light for hiking or camping. It has 4 modes. You've got a white light low, red light strobe. So you can see how tiny this is. This one does come with a couple accessories. So the accessories has a little head strap. This is the magnets that you can magnetize to the bottom of it to any other surface. So you have the USB to Type-C charging port. You got the head strap. Here is the light itself. This one here is a quick start guide where you can use it. It does show a picture that somebody's using it when they're working on their car. So it does have a battery indicator, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. As you can see, this one here is lightweight. It is really small. This is a mini one, and it does give out a lot of power. This is a Type-C charging, plus it has got a battery indicator. It has a magnet that's attached. It can be installed in various places. You can use this for working, emergency, or hiking. In my case, I've actually used it for my chicken coop. So again, these little battery indicators at the top is how many battery you have left. So we're going to go ahead and attach this one. They do have the head strap right here, so if you're using it outside or you're hiking, that right there you can just put around your head and you can use it without ever using your hands. They do have 4 modes, like I said. There is a white light, which is super high, and then they have a white light, which is low, and then you have the red light right here, and then you have the strobe. So this is the strobe light right there. And then you can see that these little magnets stick to the bottom. So this thing right here is magnet. So if you have anything besides these little things right there you can stick it to, you can go ahead and stick it to it. And right here is the charging port. So it does have a cover, so you don't have to worry about that getting damaged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it over my chicken coop because I need some extra light, and this is super bright. So right here you can see I did install it on top of my chicken coop. This one here is a metal brooder box. So it actually does magnetize to it. You can see that it is sitting right here and it's not moving. It is super bright. So this is on the mode 1, which is super bright light. You can change it to different modes, but I like the mode 1 to stick right here. You can see right here, and I just flipped it down a little bit, and it does light up their whole incubator. The light right now is super hot, so I actually turned off their heat lamp and just turned this one on so they can have a little light. So if you're looking for a nice portable light to use anywhere, hiking or anything like this situation, I would highly recommend checking this one out.